What's up you guys? Namaste, Vanakkam and welcome to my channel Dee's Read. So in today's video I've decided to pull off this small little prank on a close friend of mine. She actually thinks we're going to sit down and do a sit down video where we do different types of laughter or something like that. But in reality I've decided to get a reaction out of her and I've downloaded this app on my phone. It goes by the name Fart Sounds and it has a variety of fart sounds guys present on it. I will connect my phone to my Bluetooth speaker and I've played it off throughout the day where I kept telling her, I'm not feeling too good, my stomach's upset, blah 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 blah, and around this. So she really does think, my stomach is actually upset. And so for you guys, this is the app, and I don't know if you guys can see, this is how the app actually looks, and you can hear different fart sounds. It's currently connected to my speaker. I don't know if it's picking up on the mic guys, but this is how it basically sounds. Yeah. So she is really going to, I don't know, I just want to get a reaction out of her. So stay tuned and let's have some fun. Hey guys, as you guys would have already seen from the title of this video, we have decided to do one thing that we are really good at, and that is lotta. So we're going to show you the types of laugh with my girl Bhumi, Disha, and it's me again, and myself. So stay tuned guys. Stay tuned guys.
Trust me guys, you'll have fun, and this is a very bad combo.
What you laughing about? Did you really understand the joke?
No.
Did you?
I did. Yeah.
मारो मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो
Guys, my stomach really hurts. I'll pause. We'll go make a huss
and
be okay guys.
Bega muskan ma.
Yeah, chill.
Mom, this break. Kaka break kala tagon.
I want some other breaks and she's not leaving.
Oh, and she's going to kaka break kale.
It's about to go down.
Now anyway it will be tighter. Big I realized when I gave it here.
It's burning there.
Mom, Papa. Okay. That was what did you eat, Dino, like that?
And
Not because of your fart.
I am the one the way your son
This is for something else. Suddenly, imagine we're just crossing one beach channel within coconut. Dinesh, maaf churet.
Oh my god
Kubudu bidu. No! That's okay, mom. You can bombard it. Okay.
Oh my god, dude. Get
Nah.
out. I'm going from here.
Mom,
Mom, I told you
it's okay, mom. Mukskon ba. We should take ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ loperamide and go or lomofin and go. Something is going to go wrong. ನಾಳೆ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ದಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡಿ ಗೋಕರ್ಣ is 400 kilometers away. Like ನಿಲ್ಸು ಹೂವು stop. This is
so rude, Pa.
Hey, no, ma. DJ is making me laugh. Okay.
Hey, what is the flavor?
My should be record. A little laugh. Wait a second. Record.
I'm trying to not make noise.
It's okay, mom. You can't hold it there, okay? Are you releasing like AK-47 shots?
And
Just release it for once.
Mom, it's not coming, it's a gas.
Come, we'll go on top. Let Dinu finish and come out.
Okay, tell her that we're going up.
Dinu will be going up, okay?
Sketcher. Huh?
Yadi!
Yeah.
पीछे देखो पीछे पीछे तो देखो
My should be record.
ऐसा लगा मेरा मजाक
Guys, the secret weapon is us. But you did laugh at me, Mom.
Yeah, mom. Yeah.
Chancel. What you would have thought? Guys, you really did record the fart, guys.
You just got
It's not.